Hello and welcome to our second episode of JavaScript course. So how exactly do you install JavaScript? Well, for the most of the part you don't. Actually, all web browser can run JavaScript, which is great because all devices have web browsers on them. So when you write something with JavaScript, it will run on the all sort of devices and operating systems. So you have few options for writing JavaScript. Let me show you few things you can do follow along with this course. You can download a code editor. Here I'm using Visual Code Studio. You can also use Sublime Text or Atom or any code editor. And I have created an HTML file because HTML file can be opened in web browsers. And I have these script tags. These are HTML tags, but within our tags we have our JavaScript. So if I open up this file in web browser, it looks like this. Well, I open up my JavaScript console, and in this console you can see this says hello world. That's right from my JavaScript program. So whenever you do console.log, it's going to show on the console here. You can also just use CodePen. There is going to be three windows: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Well, we just care about the JavaScript, and in this course we're not going to be doing anything with HTML and CSS. We just need the JavaScript and JavaScript console. If I do console.log hello world, we see right in the console hello world. Alright guys, I hope you learned something new today. So in future we will learn more about JavaScript. So hope you guys enjoyed and see you next time.